This innovative, prefabricated home redefines what's possible in modern living. It's available in 20-foot and 40-foot expandable containers and designed for remarkable efficiency. Its pre-engineered structure allows for quick assembly, meaning you can move in and start your new life right away, not months away. This swift setup is a stark contrast to the lengthy, often stressful timeline of traditional construction, uh, getting you from purchase to possession with incredible speed. One of the most appealing aspects is the home's versatility across different environments. Whether you're looking to create a cozy retreat in a remote, natural setting or need a practical housing solution in a bustling urban area, this home adapts seamlessly. Its adaptability is a key to its widespread use, making it a perfect fit for a wide range of needs, from permanent residences to temporary event spaces or a unique office. It truly offers a solution for almost any location you can imagine. Beyond its flexibility and placement, the house's interior is a canvas for your personal style. Its customizable design allows for a high degree of personalization. You can tailor the layout, size, and specific features to fit your individual lifestyle. The home can be configured for residential living, transformed into a dynamic office space, or even adapted for commercial use. This level of customization ensures the house isn't just a structure, but a reflection of your unique vision and needs. Perhaps its most impressive feature is the flexible bedroom options. This home offers versatile layouts that can be configured with 1, 2, or even 3 bedrooms. It's an ideal solution for a variety of living situations, whether you're a single professional seeking a minimalist space, a couple looking for a comfortable home, or a family requiring a flexible layout with multiple rooms. This adaptability makes it a truly versatile, modular, prefabricated house that gracefully adapts to different lifestyles and living needs, providing a tailored living experience without the traditional complexities. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.